The ISO community has evolved, of course, since the installation of Dounreay site as a nuclear facility and is part of the community's life.
Dounreay site has been at the forefront of nuclear reactor development in the UK for a number of years. That has now concluded and we're moving into decommissioning and site restoration. The protection of our corporate network and the information held on that corporate network is important because of a number of legal requirements such as GDPR. We also hold classified information which needs to be protected.
Cybersecurity needs to be seen as an enabler, not a blocker, and providing systems that enable the business to carry out their day-to-day functions is key for us.
What we had in place previously with the sheep dip system was inadequate as far as a technical solution, and it was also not auditable in a confident manner. The new proposal by OPSWAT to modernise that security control was exactly what we needed.
We need to ensure that there is a barrier in place that allows us to confidently pass or share or receive or give information.
OPSWAT is a key piece of infrastructure for us which allows Dounreay to carry out its day-to-day business. It has taken us from a very old, antiquated way of dealing with removable media into a much more modern solution. Previously, we would have taken the steps of blocking all access to removable media as it was too difficult to deal with. Now we've gone from blocking removable media to a standalone system to a fully integrated solution that can deal with scanning and securing removable media.
We had always recognised removable media as being a potential attack vector for malware and viruses. Having one AV engine to validate a particular file is not ideal. So the solution that we have now in place with OPSWAT, each file is being scanned by 16 different AV engines.
I think it's important that we have multiple engines scanning. Not every engine will pick up every single piece of malware or rogue files, and having that breadth across numerous engines gives us that gives us the knowledge that it's been fully scanned properly.
OPSWAT has become a really credible solution for a particularly difficult technical challenge.
OPSWAT as a tool provides that confidence to the regulator that we are compliant with the standards expected of UK and we are safely practicing information handling and data protection on a day-to-day basis.